All right, all right. Well, I'm out here in the backyard, and it's a huge mess out here. This is after a pretty big windstorm that swept through Texas about a week ago, and man, I mean, we still have some of the neighbor stuff in our yard. Don't know where it came from. Looks like a hot tub cover, stuff like that. A bunch of my tarps are gone. You can see we kind of repaired one of the tents, and the other one, no, it wasn't salvageable. Yeah, it was pretty bad after it first happened. I took a few shots, but at least we're starting to be able to salvage some stuff, and it kind of kick-started me anyway because I was wanting to. I'm in the process of moving, and I wanted to get all this done by the end of this month, by the end of March anyway. So it just kind of pushed me along to, all right, it's time to get this done. But I mean, it's just amazing how much stuff has piled up back here in the past 2 or 3 years. Because you remember, I mean, I'm just getting over back surgery. It's been over a year, and I'm finally at the point where I can, start to move stuff around. But there for 2 or 3 years, I couldn't do it. I couldn't move any of the heavy stuff, and I'm still just going to go, bit by bit. There's only so much I can do at a time, because I don't want to stress my back again. I don't want to go through surgery again. Just holy cow. So, well, that's what I'm doing. We're cleaning this stuff out, but the neat thing, as I'm clearing stuff out, I'm uncovering stuff that I forgot I had. You know what I mean? And a lot of stuff I'm going to clean up and sell. Some just give away. Some scrap metal. Some, I have a few mowers that I'll probably just give away if somebody needs it. And so I had one kid come by. And he was trying to, he had trouble getting hired by anybody. I think he had special needs, and so I think he was gonna start doing yards, right? And I figured out what he was trying to do, and I knew he had limited money, so I just gave him a whole setup. I was like, all right, here's what you'll need. You need a mower. You'll need an edger and a trimmer, and those are a couple of the basics that you'll need to do a yard, And I just gave it to him, and hopefully he'll do good. He was gung ho about it. So we'll see what happens. I'll probably do the same thing if anybody needs stuff like that. I'll probably be giving some stuff away, but anyway. I found some stuff that I'm going to clean up, so let me show you what I got. Yeah, so I'd forgotten I had this. It had been under a tarp over here. You can see the tent's gone, that pavilion tent. I just went and took the whole thing down. They're just torn up, and so I uncovered the stuff over here and found I'd forgotten I had that old generator. Has some old engines. One guy's going to pick one of these up. But a lot of this stuff, like this, I remember I had 4 or 5 of them at one time, and I'd sold the other ones and forgot I had this one still. I was going to keep it. I think it was a roll air previously, and I just repainted it and made it look good, but you can tell it's been sitting here forever. So I'm going to get it cleaned up and then see if I can sell it. There's just all kinds of stuff. I'll probably leave the generator with my brother just in case power goes out here at home. At least he has a generator. But okay. Alright, before I move that out of there, I'm going to put my brace on. And I'm just going to wheel it out here and start hosing it off. Yeah, and this stuff, I'm sure you've seen it before. I'm just going to spray this thing down and hose it off, and you'll be amazed at how quickly this stuff, how quick it works. I won't even have to. After I spray this stuff on, I probably won't even have to wipe it off or anything. It just fucking comes off. But let me get the spray can filled. That should be plenty. So this stuff, I get it by the gallon, but you can get them in bottles like this size, and they'll even come in kits with this stuff, the foam up spray, and wheel cleaner. And but let's just soak all this down. Alright, well, let me go get the hose, and I'm just going to spray it just straight from the hose. I'm not even going to try to use a power washer, because this stuff will just come right off. Okay, watch this. You see, I don't even have a spray nozzle on this thing. This is just an open hose. And just watch how fast this stuff comes off. Is that awesome or what? Look how easy that was just from the hose. And it's looking pretty good. I use this stuff all the time. Yeah, I just swear that I just swear by this stuff. It's hands down one of the best cleaners I've ever used, and I use it all the time on stuff just like this, or on mowers, stuff that it's starting to get gunked up, or you can even do your car engine, or like I said, it comes with a wheel cleaner also. And what I'm going to do is one of these days I want to see everybody's reaction, but one of these days I'm going to be giving some of this stuff away. They have a pack that's like a 32-ounce bottle, a bottle of the spray foam, and a bottle of the wheel cleaner, and I'll be giving that away. I just want to see your response. If I don't have anybody watching me, then I have nobody to give it to. You know what I mean? So leave it in your comments. They say go for it. You know, let me know what's going on. I do want to give a giveaway, and it'll be soon. So, and we'll have to, you know, thank Super Clean for doing this. They are sponsoring this, and they will probably, I know I have one set, but they'll probably be shipping to you direct. But we'll see how it goes. So let me know in the comments, and I guess that's it for this video. So, you know, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch for the next video.